Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing error 7202, it usually points to connectivity or server communication issue, meaning Prime Video can't properly connect to its servers to start or continue playback. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix error 7202 on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So error 7202 is usually network related, common on smart TVs, Fire TV and mobile, often temporary and easy to fix. So focus on connection plus network stability. So first thing, check your internet connection, like test your Wi-Fi or mobile data, try opening another app or website, switch to a stronger network if needed because stable internet means smooth playback. You can also restart your router, like turn off your router for 30 to 60 seconds, turn it back on and wait until it's fully reconnected. Okay, this fixes most connectivity problems. Okay, you can restart your device too, like restart your phone, TV or streaming device. This clears temporary system glitches. Or refresh Prime Video, like if you are using the application on your mobile, close and reopen the app, like remove it from the recent apps and then you can reopen it again. If you are using the TV, like exit and relaunch the app. It fixes temporary playback issues. Or updates the application. Okay, so go to your app store. Okay, look for Prime Video and update Prime Video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.